Every single metal detector needs to be doing this, and if you're not... So we all dig up junk aluminum cans, junk pieces of aluminum, pull tabs, junk pieces of lead, random bits of metal, and a bunch of steel. Well, like many of you, I used to throw this away. However, let me give you 2 reasons why you need to keep this and recycle this metal. Number 1, recycling 1 aluminum can saves enough energy to power a television set for more than 3 hours. That is reason 2 why you need to be saving your fines, is because all of the money you are throwing away when you're throwing away your random bits of metal. For example, my lead fishing weights that I have found, this took me approximately 2 metal detecting strips to find and weighs approximately 3 pounds. Currently, lead fishing weights are going for 50 cents a pound at my local scrapyard. That makes this, in its current state, worth $1.50. Granted, I do need to clean it up a little bit, get rid of the bobber, and get rid of some fishing hooks. But for $1.50, that's more than I found in clad change. There's definitely extra money to be made here. And random bits of aluminum. Aluminum currently is going for about 60 cents a pound at my scrapyard. This tin can I filled in about 3 metal detecting strips, and it weighs about 2 pounds. So I made about $1.20 just in random bits of aluminum. That's also more than I found in clad change. The amount of extra money we are throwing away by throwing away all this junk metal that we would have otherwise been worthless, but recycling and scrapping it is going to help pay for the hobby even more, so you can spend more money and get better equipment for yourself. Do yourself a favor and recycle. So this is a lesson learned. Do not throw away your junk finds after metal detecting. Make sure you keep them so you can help the environment and also make yourself some extra money. Stay tuned, subscribe for more videos.